Amazing wooden table repair techniques. A large wooden table is cracked in the middle. What methods and techniques are used to repair it and make it beautiful and durable? The repairman in this video only used 5 steps to repair it, and there are almost no traces of repairs. Step 1. Table fixing. Repairing a cracked wooden table not only requires solving the current crack problem, but, more importantly, preventing further cracking in the future. The common method is to embed dovetails, but this restorer's plan was to drill the board horizontally through the wood at both ends of the table and add a long screw rod at each end. What do you think are the advantages and disadvantages of each of these 2 options? What's the reason? Please leave your message to discuss. Step 2. Basic filling. Cracks that were too big could not be filled directly with putty, so the restorer chose to use wooden cubes for preliminary filling. Additionally, the holes for the bolts needed to be sealed, which he used wooden sticks and wood powder. The method is simple, but very practical. Next, use a plane to smooth out the protruding parts of the wood. Step 3. Surface filling. After completing the basic filling, the cracks need to be filled and smoothed. Then sand it with sandpaper. You all know this step, which is to sand it with 3 grades from coarse to fine, from 180 to 800 grit sandpaper. Step 4. Background color spraying. Use special paint and thinner for wood to adjust a suitable background color, and spray it evenly on the wound surface with a spray gun, paying attention to the connection with the original color outside the wound. As for what is the suitable background color, please refer to this video link in the description column below the video. I have specifically talked about it. Step 5. Texture drawing. According to the original texture color of the wood board, use special wood pigments and thinners to mix the corresponding color, and then use a paintbrush to draw the wood grain. Practical tips. First, pay attention to the natural connection between the newly drawn textures on the wound and the original outer textures. Second, draw the main lines first and then the secondary lines. And first draw the coarse lines and then the fine lines. Step 6. Apply varnish sealing. The previous filling and texture drawing solved the problem of similarity, and this step will solve the problem of durability. Cover the surface of the table with high temperature resistant, anti-scalding water-based varnish. Many restorers will use a spray gun to spray it, but this master applied it directly with a cloth. Which method do you think is better? Welcome to leave your comments for discussion. Final result.